Welcome back to Chain of Thoughts. Today, I want to give you a mental model that changes how you approach AI tools and automations. It's a simple idea, but if you get it, you'll move faster than 99% of people who are stuck doing tool tourism. Right now, the AI world moves at a speed that feels impossible to keep up with. Every week, there is a new tool, there is a new agent framework, a new automation hack, and most people get stuck in a loop. Explore, and never actually build anything that moves their business forward. On the other hand, some people lock themselves into one tool too early and miss the massive leverage that could cut 50% of their workload. Both paths are equally bad. And this is where the explore versus exploit idea comes in. In algorithms and decision theory, explore versus exploit is a fundamental trade-off. Explore means try new options to gather information. Exploit, on the other hand, means doubling down on the option that already works best. If you only explore, you're never gonna get output. If you only exploit, you stagnate and miss better opportunities. Smart optimization is about when to explore and when to exploit. Here is the blunt truth. 90% of people exploring AI tools are exploring at the wrong phase. They jump between Notion AI, Make, N8N, Zapier, LangChain, Claude tools, whatever is trending, without a strategy. Explore without purpose is distraction. Exploit without exploration is just decay. So, here is the right way. Exploration phase, focused, time-boxed research. You taste 3 to 5 tools with a very specific goal. For example, which tool gives me the fastest and most stable automations for, say, NetSuite and Salesforce workflows? Exploitation phase, you commit, you build real pipelines, you document, you operationalize, you create real leverage. People who win in AI are the ones who know how to switch between these phases deliberately. In my own work at Chain of Thoughts, I switch between these phases aggressively. When I built internal automations for finance teams, I spent a short, brutal exploration phase testing Make, N8N, Workato, and some agent frameworks. Then I made a call. I doubled down on N8N for heavy automations and Make for speed and marketing workflows. That's exploitation. Build deep expertise, templates, reusable modules, naming convention. This creates real output. But every few months, I reopen an explore cycle, not to chase hype, but to evaluate whether anything can replace or be enhanced in the existing phase. Exploration gives you wide surface area. Exploitation gives you mastery and compound results. If you want to learn AI and automation seriously, treat exploration as R&D, not entertainment. Set boundaries, define what you want to solve, compare tools based on real criteria, then exploit the base one until you hit a wall. This is the difference between being a tool hopper and being a builder. If this kind of thinking helps you, subscribe to Chain of Thoughts. Every week, we share practical insights on AI, automations, and how to use those tools to scale your business, not your confusion. Tell me in the comments, what tool are you stuck exploring without exploiting yet? Let's break that loop.